see everything unfold for all the cats across Jonesboro. Because Cats Everywhere starts right now. Everyone's in network time.
Cats Everywhere. Vampire Crisis.
The cats are everywhere.
December 6, 2023 at 8:30 am.
What a day.
Good morning, Landon.
Morning, Cletus.
Guess what today is?
What's today?
Today's the first ever Cats and Ducks Jamboree.
Oh, okay. When does that ever start?
Sometime in the afternoon.
So, you might want to get ready by 12 p.m.
Okay, but before I do, how long will this jamboree last?
This jamboree usually lasts from 60 to 90 minutes.
60 to 90 minutes? Are you insane?
No, sir, it's real.
Okay then, I guess I better get ready. Hey, go get the others real quick.
Yes, sir. We'll do.
Good.
4 hours
we are
later at 12:30 p.m.
Jamboree.
I'm so excited to be in the jamboree.
Well, that's good. Because the jamboree has already begun.
I got to say though, next week will be the day the ghost will be gone for good.
You are so right, Catters. This ghost has been causing too much damages across the city for far too long. And me, Cletus, Normie, and Maxine are gonna put a stop to this with the help of Fabrizio.
Well, it would be nice if this jamboree had either country and rock and roll bullshit. It's expensive, but this jamboree needs our fair chance. Pipsqueak should go and find some.
Yeah. He's currently working on that.
What next? The fucking sale. Why do you want to have a sale 87546 Felix when it's the jamboree? Oh, I don't know, it's just my dream.
Whatever you say.
Hey, Landon.
Huh?
5, 6, 7, 8.
What are you doing?
Give us a raise, loser.
What?
That's crazy.
What are you asking me that for?
Just give them the money.
Oh, fine.
Okay. I did not see that coming.
Here's your money.
Thanks. Me and Glenn are gonna set up the chairs.
Well, good luck with that.
We will.
Idiots.
5 hours later
so
at
that's how
5:30
our
p.m.
jamboree went down today. What do you think?
Well, we're glad you guys have fun at the Jamboree. Fabrizio, Sammy, and Pipsqueak had to stay and look after us.
Oh, okay.
I don't know where Robin is though.
Where could he be?
Well, he said he was gonna go play video games. But then, he wasn't there.
He better not be shopping online for that Land Cruiser counterpart, because I told him it was expensive.
No worries. He didn't go to Thailand.
Okay, good.
I hope he is behaving better.
Who knows? What is that?
Sentry down.
Oh shit, what now?
No!
Great. Mal's Bonnie sentry broke. after that water struck from the door.
Now I'm gonna have to get this shit fixed.
Hey, what's the problem?
Hold up, fool. I need to ask Fabrizio to see what happened.
Are you going to talk to Fabrizio to see what happened?
Yes, I am. Fabrizio!
15 minutes
Man,
later
that
at
Jamboree was
5:45 p.m.
fantastic. What did you think of that, Fabrizio and Sammy?
Well, we're glad that you guys had fun at the Jamboree. But you're not gonna believe what happened to us.
What happened?
Provan made a mess in the kitchen while you were away. Pipsqueak told us this.
How on earth did he do that?
Use the water that you sprinkled all over the fucking floor.
What?!
He even used ketchup and mustard with this.
I know Croven is up to no good. I'll have a few words with him.
Another 15 minutes later at 6 p.m.
Oh my god, that was so fucking awesome.
Croven!
Oh shit, I'm caught.
Yes, you are. You stupid fucking idiot. How fucking dare you? You just made a mess in the entire fucking kitchen. You don't think you disrespected this place? That's the reason why you ain't invited to this Jamboree bullshit.
It's my fault. I want to have fun.
Give me all those things.
Oh, fine.
Now clean up this mess or you're fired.
All right.
Unbelievable. To be continued in the next episode. And now it's time for sign off. Well, guys, this now concludes our broadcasting for today on ATN7, the WB, the CW, UPN, Discovery, and our newest member, City TV Plus. And now, stick around for what's ahead. Thanks for watching Cats Everywhere. Don't miss a new episode next Wednesday. But stop everything! Because next week will be the final episode of the year, Cats Everywhere has been granted a fall finale. Because next week, the ghost will be gone. After we find the kettle, can they get rid of Alfred's ghost once and for all, or will it be too late? Which means there'll be a special holiday cheer. What else can you ask for? Don't miss the fall finale, next Wednesday night on the WB. Right now, everyone is going to bed. From all of us at this channel, we wish you all a very special good night. Until then, this is me, over and out. Good night.